Visiting Kuimbashiri was one of the most refreshing moments. You know, there are so many birds you can see over there. There are places to sit with your family and enjoy your lunch. You can enjoy your drinks whilst you're just getting refreshed from the lake. This is actually close to Lake Chiweru, and it's a beautiful scenery. You will definitely enjoy it if you decide to go with your family. So we saw different types of birds, like there were owls as well, and this other lake owl which you can see here. This one is the one they will use to demonstrate how they eat mouse in the forest, and it's beautiful. We also saw pigeons, white pigeons, and I've never seen pigeons flipping their tails. It was my first time. It was just a sight to enjoy. Some of them were tilting their heads backwards, just demonstrating their strength. I think these are male. They do like what peacocks do as well. It was really nice. Then we went to see the ducks. Beautiful ducks in their pool. There's so many birds, guys. If you really want to know your birds, go to Kuimbashiri. You will enjoy. We saw also peacocks. And this green one, is beautiful, beautiful. There was also a turkey as well. Both of them, they were showing off, you know, flipping their tail, enjoying themselves. It was beautiful. I liked this other peacock when it shook itself in splendor. You just stand in awe of what God has created in this world. You know, you just stand in awe, I tell you. It's a beautiful scenario. The peacock then danced before us. You know, it was dancing, a great dance, showing off. Like my friend would say, this bird, it's showing off. Oh, it's such a show off. I enjoyed it, guys. Guys, this is not to be missed. You just go there, go with your children, pack your lunches, go enjoy your day at Kuimbashiri. You'll never regret it. They will grow up knowing their birds, knowing how many birds are in the world. They will like it, I tell you. So, and the peacock continued for a long time actually to show us who he is. And I think he had made up his mind that morning that I'm going to show them. And here he was. He continued to flip his tail. He was enjoying it. And we were also enjoying it. Then last but not least, we were treated to a demonstration of what animals do when they are in the forest by the owner. And it was really an honor to see how he had trained those animals to just be themselves, even in the area of Kuimbashiri. And it was a great sight. It was really something. We enjoyed it. We had a nice time. So guys, the birds in this video are not the only birds that are at Kuimbashiri. There are so many of them. The only disadvantage I had was I was using a phone, and with a phone, when you're taking pictures in the fence, the bird doesn't come out right. So I had only to use those birds which are out of the cages. I hope, guys, you go and experience this for yourself. Kuimbashiri is not far. It's quite near, close to Chiweru. time to say our goodbyes and head home. We really had a wonderful time, and I believe my children enjoyed this show. So see you in the next. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below and share the video. Ciao.